Then makikita nyo dito, sabi niya, email confirmation sent dito sa nominated email address ko sa Pi Wallet natin. Okay, so ang dapat mangyari dyan, pupunta lang ako sa email address ko and then i-confirm ko yung Pi Wallet address natin. Okay? So makikita nyo dito sa part na to, balik lang tayo ng konti guys Ayan. So lumipat tayo, inopen ko yung Pi Network app, okay? So ito yung view yesterday. So running tayo ng 973.98 Pi. Meron tayong unverified balance doon sa kinonta ko na yan, ayaw talaga nilang mag-verify so wala tayong magagawa. Pero makikita nyo dito, naka-zero out na yung transferable balance natin and then yung pwede ko talagang i-withdraw on my own is 536.64. Okay, so meron pa yung naka-lock up, hiwalay yung naka-lock up doon sa actual na pwede kong ilabas or i-withdraw to a centralized exchange naka-partner ng Pi Network sa KYB Know Your Business process nila, okay? So, okay, chinek ko muna yung mainnet checklist natin and talagang naninigurado lang tayo. So, yung nakikita ko dito sa baba na migrate to mainnet, congratulations, you have been added to the automatic mainnet migration queue. Okay, so na-receive ko na tong message na to a week before, pero pinapa-confirm niya pa yung email address ko, okay? So, status complete and then chinek ko lang uli kung talagang parehas dun sa pinaste ko kaninang wallet address yung details dito sa checklist ko. So, talagang parehas naman siya. So, dahil sigurado na talaga ako, ayan, enter 24-word seed phrase or fast phrase, okay? Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.